Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a car wash attendant job application letter, step by step, in a simple, professional, and easy to understand way. A car wash attendant job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a position at a car wash business. This letter introduces you to the employer, explains your interest in the job, highlights relevant skills such as physical ability, attention to detail, teamwork, and customer service, and shows why you would be a good fit for the role. Even though this is an entry-level or hands-on job, the letter is still important because it shows your attitude, reliability, and willingness to work hard. Now let's go through the letter from top to bottom, and for each section, I'll explain what to write, why it's important, helpful tips, and then I'll read the full sample paragraph so you know exactly what to write when creating your own letter. Let's check this out. Applicants' contact information. We begin with your contact information at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. This tells the employer who you are and how they can contact you if they want to invite you for an interview. For jobs like car wash attendant, employers often value reliability and quick communication, so it's important that your contact details are clear and accurate. A helpful tip is to always use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is active. Here's how it appears in the sample letter. Daniel Brooks, 7421 Willow Creek Drive, Fort Worth, Texas, 76133. Phone, 8175554928. Email, daniel.brooks@email.com. Date. Next, we write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps keep your application organized. Always write the full date to maintain a professional appearance. In this letter, the date is written as March 22nd, 2026. Employer's information. After the date, we include the employer's information. This section shows respect and attention to detail. Writing the business name and address correctly makes your letter feel more personal and less generic. Here's the sample employer information. Hiring manager, Sparkle Auto Wash, 1180 West Pioneer Parkway, Arlington, Texas, 76013. Subject line. Now let's look at the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter. This helps the hiring manager immediately understand what position you are applying for. Keep it short and direct, like this. Subject: Application for car wash attendant position. Salutation. Next comes the salutation, which is your greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is a professional and safe option. Always remember to include the comma after the greeting. Here's the salutation used in this letter. Dear Hiring Manager, first paragraph. Introduction and interest. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. In this paragraph, you should clearly state the position you are applying for and explain why you are interested in the job. This is where you show enthusiasm and a positive attitude toward the work. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression. Even for entry-level jobs, employers want to see that you are motivated and take the opportunity seriously. A good tip is to mention qualities like teamwork, attention to detail, and enjoyment of hands-on work. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the car wash attendant position at Sparkle Auto Wash. I am interested in this opportunity because I enjoy hands-on work, take pride in providing quality service, and work well in fast-paced environments where teamwork and attention to detail are important. Second paragraph, skills, experience, and physical ability. Now we move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your skills and work experience. In this paragraph, you explain the tasks you can perform, such as washing vehicles, cleaning interiors, and maintaining a clean workspace. This is important because employers want to know that you understand the physical and practical nature of the job. A helpful tip here is to mention safety awareness, equipment handling, and reliability, because these qualities matter a lot in a car wash environment. Here's the full sample paragraph. I have experience performing basic vehicle cleaning tasks, including exterior washing, drying, vacuuming interiors, and maintaining a clean and organized work area. I understand the importance of following safety procedures, using cleaning equipment properly, and treating customers and their vehicles with care and respect. I am physically fit, reliable, and comfortable working outdoors in different weather conditions. Third paragraph, personal qualities and teamwork. Next is the third paragraph, where you highlight your personal qualities and work ethic. Car wash attendants often work as part of a team, so employers want someone who is punctual, cooperative, and willing to help others. This paragraph shows that you are dependable and easy to work with. A good tip here is to focus on attitude rather than technical skills, especially for entry-level positions. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am known for being punctual, hardworking, and willing to take direction while also helping coworkers when needed. I believe these qualities would allow me to contribute positively to your team and help maintain the high standards of service Sparkle Auto Wash is known for. Fourth paragraph, closing and interview request. Now let's move to the closing paragraph. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely asks for an opportunity to discuss the job further. It should sound respectful, confident, and appreciative. A helpful tip is to always thank the employer for their time, as this leaves a positive final impression. Here's the full sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my skills and work ethic can support your business. I'm available for an interview at your convenience. Sign off and signature. Now we finish the letter with a professional closing. Use a formal sign-off like "Sincerely," followed by your name. Here's how it looks. Sincerely, Daniel Brooks. Before we wrap up, here are some overall tips for writing a strong car wash attendant job application letter. Keep your language simple, clear, and professional. Focus on reliability, willingness to work, and positive attitude rather than trying to sound overly formal. Always proofread your letter for spelling and grammar mistakes and make sure it is neatly formatted. Remember, employers value effort and dependability, and your letter should reflect that. Take your time, personalize your letter for each business, and be confident in the skills you bring. And that's it. That's how you write a car wash attendant job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.